about 7:30 in the morning, and we are in the middle of our campus with our team leader Viken Jain sir.
Yes, so much hard work that we have done, and this is just we are going to show some result. For that, our team has put some work, and early in the morning we just have some what on in our mind that we should care about those plants that we have planted here, and it's very important for us. Rather planting trees, we have to care about them also.
Definitely, because it's around 6 degrees in Srinagar, and early in the morning you have been here.
Yeah, this is very difficult in Kashmir especially to be early, so much early in the morning to stand here and
Sir, can you explain this?
yeah, this is the word, the acronym TGCC that we have decided to put here so that it remains a memory forever to the college, so that whenever they come here, this must be the inspiration source for them. That whatever the work, whatever the activities that we have to do in the club itself, Green Club itself, and many activities that should be in the continual way. It is just the way that we have represented here. TGCC, Texas Green Campus Challenge.
And sir, can you explain this design?
Yeah, we have just thought that if we are putting some plants, gaining a plantation campaign here in near the mechanical department, so we thought we should have some design related to mechanical thing. So we just thought a gear shaped thing. This is just the gear, where in the middle here is a tree of chinar, and along with that there are three along gears, and we have just put a thought, our concept that here it is a cemented put here, and across this a gear has been stopped, and so all the gears has been stopped, and it's just like working. If howsoever we can make all this running, all this very much enthusiastic, it all depends on us. So this is the representation, the tree plantation in an engineering way. All that I can say.
Thank you, sir. इधर पूछेंगे भी. So standing in front of this, you must be feeling proud of your
Yeah,
team.
yeah, this is very great feeling that I have just seen there that so much hard work we have put here, and now finally I just want to say, I just convey a message that this greenery, this green should be all around in our on our earth. So I just request all of you that are you with me? Are you with me, guys? Yes, go green. I should say it like this.
Definitely, you must go green. We would also like to ask you, what were the challenges you faced?
The first challenge is that just we have to get the permission regarding this, that this so much area we are covering here, and first of all the grassroots that were here for the past, I can say 1 or 2 years, that have not been uprooted till now. So it was a great task to uproot them, and I just say that the girls were in this task to uproot all these grasses. So it was a great thing, and finally getting the tools and getting the plants without having the resources from the authority administration. We just collected some money from the professional professors' quarters and all those things. And the second difficult task was that that is, you obviously know that plowing. It's a very difficult thing because here it is very cold outside here. So just having volunteers, so much volunteers that we have, 35 volunteers at least we have. It's a very difficult because on the eve of Eid, you know that it's a condition of here in Kashmir. On the eve of Eid, we have just did all these things.
Definitely
So
on
it was
27th.
very difficult thing to have volunteers from boys side or girls side.
And how did you pen down this idea of gears?
Just I thought that if we are putting something near the mechanical department, then it should be gear. Gear, obviously, it is a thing that without gear in mechanical system we cannot do anything. And it is just the starting that we have put our gear. We have just started our gear, and it is the thing that just pull up at every step to move on, and move on.
Thank you. Now
Thank
let's
you.
see the uprooted grasses. Some of them are left. What your team members have put in the hard work, how to uproot the grasses manually. Can you
Yeah,
show us?
Yeah. These are here, some here. Yes, you can see. And come along this.
Definitely they are quite long.
Yeah.
And how long did your team members put this effort in to make this such a beautiful
it was a
place?
very great point that we put our work from 11 o'clock in the morning till 6:30 in the evening. It was a very great point,
Definitely.
and you can obviously see that how much hard work we put.
Yeah, we
In a
can see
single
one
day.
part on your right, a thing of marvelous beauty, and on the other side of your left side, we can see the weeds, the elephant grasses.
Yeah.
So how are you planning it to pan it out this part in the future?
Yeah, that's what Green Club is. We are just putting Green Club in the association, in the things to run. So as soon as the Green Club is in the formation, we're just putting all these things uprooted, because you know that this is the thing that we have to put here as a beautiful thing. But whether it is other things or not, I can't say that because of what it has been here. But we are coming now. We TGCC team, Neuro Green team are coming here. We just want that the Green Club is formed. As soon as the Green Club is formed, we're just going to put all these things. This is all our hard work, and I promise you that Green Club will do all these things with the departments, with the professors, with the directors as well. And we just going to, so we are very excited that as soon as the college will start, the professors will see, and the other teachers, lecturers will see that how much TGC team has put out their work.
Well,
Yeah,
we
this
see
is
that
the
you are
first
quite
round.
motivated. You are quite motivated, and this enthusiasm continues as well. And you keep your word.
Thank you very
And
much.
just covering the pick again.
दो मिनट हो गए.
Good afternoon, I am Nidhi Sharma from second year. Good afternoon, I am Nidhi Sharma from second year. This is my figure. I have symbolized here a star. Every year, thousands of engineers graduate from this college. So, this may be the best symbolic representation for them. And the main purpose of plantation is to cover maximum area under the green cover, the trees under the plants. So I think this is the most efficient.
Actually, I choose this figure because मुझे आइडिया था कि idea of green belt, because in our college there's a fountain. This is the shape of circle. Then in middle, there's a we can take suppose an example of fountain. So there's a green belt of trees and rectangle outside this. So this makes it very beautiful and very attractive. That's why I choose this figure.
My name is Omkar Pramod Bagmare, and I am from Mechanical Engineering Department and first SEM, enrollment 395 by 12. Hello. And I am from Maharashtra. And this is NIT. This is a design which will be executed between these two trees, because these two trees are the permanent ones, and they'll grow very big and plus green, and so they'll be the checkpoints first. In between them there is NIT, SXR. SXR is the airport code for Srinagar, and in between there is a round that denotes the earth, and in between there are, on this earth we are green engineers, and this is the Tech Fest initiative taken by our college, and the team name is Neurogreen. So this is Neurogreen and the Green Council Club.
Okay. Purchase flowers. For bread, nourisheth the body. Flowers, nourisheth the soul. ये आपकी एक रूह की गुज़ा, और ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है, if you go into garden, they will make you smile, happy. No one will say कि मैं गार्डन में आने से ना उदास हो गया. उदास भी होगा ना, वो भी गार्डन में जाएगा और खुश हो जाएगा. One thing, another thing specialty about flowers, किसी ने कहा है, किसी के पास भी जाओगे ना आप मिलने, दो कारण है मिलने का. या तो आप उसकी मदद करने जाओगे, और या मदद लेने जाओगे. मदद करने के लिए जाने के लिए बहुत कम है ना. कौन जाएगा उसके पास मदद करने के लिए? जाएगा कोई? है कोई? उसको काम है मुझसे, उसको मेरे पास आना चाहिए. है तो जाओगे उसके पास, कुछ ना कुछ मदद लेने के लिए जाओगे. और किसी ने कहा इन फूलों के बारे में, जिसके पास बहुत पैसा था, बादशाह था, वो कहता है सिर्फ यही एक फूल है जो मुझे खुशी देते हैं और मुझसे कुछ नहीं मांगते. बाकी जितने भी दुनिया के लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कहते हैं दे दो दे दो. अपने रिश्तेदार, अपने बच्चे, अपने कुछ, मगर ये मुझे मुस्कुरा के कहते हैं.
A big clap for sir.
फ्लावर्स के ऊपर मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है. इसकी जो प्रेजेंटेशन बनानी है बहुत अच्छे ढंग से बनानी है. ठीक है, शुरुआत इससे करेंगे, बाकी आपके कंपोनेंट्स रहेंगे. कुछ